Good morning, my dear respected students. And today again, we are begin with a concept that is working with functions. My dear respected students, hopefully you all know that what we have discussed in our previous session, and hopefully that you are supposed to do some practical sessions on your systems. So if I just want to ask some questions first of all, uh, and you're supposed to give me the answer in a chat box. Okay. Uh, Listen carefully, my question. Dash keyword is used for defining a function. Very good. You are supposed to write only answer dash. Are wah, are wah, are wah. Okay. After def, this is a keyword which is used to declare a function. After a def keyword, we are supposed to mention a dash. Very good. Very good. After a keyword def, we are supposed to mention the dash. वेरी गुड. मेरे पास अभी कोई आंसर आएगा आएगा आएगा. फंक्शन नेम. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन और फंक्शन नेम. वेरी गुड. And within brackets, after function name, within brackets, we are supposed to mention some dash. Some dash. Very good. We are supposed to mention some dash. Yes, 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 please. Arguments, values. Okay, very good, very good. And whatever declared inside the function, or we can also call it as that what is there in the indentation of that particular function is to be called as a function dash. Function dash. Very good. Great. Jaldi se, jaldi se, jaldi se. Are wow, function body. Great, great. Thank you. Okay. Next question says that the different types of functions. First of all, first function type is, I think so, it begins from B. Very good, very good, great. Are wow, built in. Okay. And the next one is to be called as a, it begins from M, I think so, hai na? Are wow, modules, modules. And last one, I think so, it begins from a U. U. Are wow, which is to be called as a user defined. Very good. Great, great. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it's my humble request that each and every student is supposed to participate. So today, my dear respected students, we are just begin with the concept of, again with the concept of working with functions. And here it is, my dear respected students. Now, today we are just begin with our session that it defines that what do you understand by arguments and parameters. My dear respected students, it's my humble request that you all are requested to concentrate that what do you mean by arguments and parameters. Okay, first of all, we are supposed to mention the definition. Arguments refers to the value being passed from main. It's very important to understand the values which is supposed to be passed from a main section, that is to be called as a argument. Whereas what do you understand by a parameters? Parameters are value received from main. My dear respected student, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Okay, I'm just going to press the control plus N here. Okay, now I'm just going to mention def here, and I'm just going to mention multiply. Okay, A comma B. After that there is a colon, there is an indentation. RES is equal to A multiply B. Okay, after that there is a print product of two numbers is equal to, that is to be called as RES. Very good, great. And now we are supposed to call this function, multiply, and after that what we are going to mention, we are supposed to mention the numbers, for example 5,2. My dear respected students, it's my humble request. First of all, I am just going to press the F5 and hit the enter key for saving that particular program. And what we are going to do here, that is our 12th class, and for example, I'm just going to save it as program number 11. Okay, great. So first of all, we are supposed to check that yes, this program is working. My dear respected student, kindly concentrate here that when we are supposed to pass some values from a main, when we are supposed to pass some values from main, that is to be called as a argument, or this is to be called as a actual argument. It's kindly remember this thing, that whatever which is supposed to be passed from a main section, which is to be called as the argument, and we can also call it as a actual argument, whereas that section which receive the values which is being passed from a main section, that is to be called as a parameter, or which is also to be called as a formal argument. My dear respected students, hope this concept will be clear to you all. Kindly tell me a question if the concept is not understood by you. Agar aapko kuch aisa lag raha hai ki this concept is not easy to understand, or my words are not perfect to define this, so you are requested to kindly raise your hand. Otherwise, you are supposed to type in a chat box your suggestions, or whether it is understandable or not. Yes or no? Very good, great. Very good, great. जल्दी से मेरे पास अभी चैट बॉक्स में अरे वाह, चलिए ठीक है, ओके, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. मैंने इसको आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मिनिमाइज दिस. ओके, I am just going to minimize this also. Again, I am supposed to open the PPT. Now just tell one thing. Kindly define a function. Now listen carefully. You are supposed to type in a chat box. It's my humble request. Now, my dear respected student, define a function. डिवीजन मैं बोलता जाऊंगा, आप डिफाइन करते जाइएगा. डिफाइन अ फंक्शन डिवीजन वेयर दैट फंक्शन इज सपोज्ड टू रिसीव टू डिफरेंट वैल्यूज फ्रॉम अ मेन section, and after that they are supposed to display the result of division. Kindly make this function and type the same in a chat box. Very good, great. फटाफट जल्दी से, जिसको मेरी अरे वाह पूरा लिखना है. ऐसे ये सिर्फ आप डेफ डिवीजन A, B मत लिखिए, उसका बॉडी भी लिखिए. You are supposed to type the body as well, that use some variable, divide that these two numbers these two variables, that is A and B, and then display the result. Very good, great. फटाफट बहुत अच्छे. मेरे को अभी भी बच्चे जो टाइप कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है मेरे एंड पे थोड़ा सा स्लो हो सिस्टम, बट मुझे अभी भी जो आ रहा है वो डेफ डिवीजन विद इन ब्रैकेट A, B आ रहा है, बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग एल्स. ओके, ग्रेट. खुशी खेती जी, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. ओके, खुशी मेरे को ये भी बता दीजिएगा, काइंडली टेल दिस थिंग, देन you are supposed to mention the examples of a formal as well as actual arguments. Very good. जो आपने मेन से, क्योंकि अभी आपने खुशी जी मेन से पास नहीं किया कुछ भी ना, आपने सिर्फ प्रिंट ही करवाया है. So just tell me what is the difference in between arguments and parameters, where arguments is also to be called as a actual argument and parameters is also to be called as a formal argument. जल्दी से मुझे मेंशन करके बताइए. वेरी गुड. तनियम का भी आ गया, वेरी गुड. भगत प्रीत सिंह जी भी आ रहे हैं, खुशी खेती जी भी आ गए. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. A, B आर पैरामीटर्स. वेरी गुड. डेफ डिवीजन. प्रभजोत थोड़ी सी स्लो चल रही है, प्रभजोत थोड़ा सा क्विक हो जाइए, ऐसा मत करिए आप. हिया सयाल जी, वेरी गुड. हिया ने जो डिवीजन 5,10 लिखा है, ये मेरे ख्याल से एक्चुअल है. वेरी गुड. मानवदीप, अरे वाह, क्या बात है भाई, सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. ग्रेट. अभी फॉर्मल एक्चुअल वाला आया नहीं, चलो कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. काइंडली कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस स्लाइड, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. नाउ my dear respected student, this is a program what we have discussed earlier, and what this is supposed to be mentioned, that whatever is being received from a main section to a function, that is to be called as a parameters, and parameters is also to be called as a formal argument, whereas whatever the values which we are supposed to pass from a main section is to be considered as an argument, and arguments are also supposed to be called as a actual argument. मेरे बच्चों को यहां तक जिसको क्लियर हो गया वो थम्स अप करो जरा। अब वो चैट बॉक्स में छोड़ दीजिए। अब थम्स अप चाहिए मुझे। अभी मेरे पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली हम लोग 20 हैं यहाँ पे। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। मेरे को थम्स अप चाहिए, थम्स अप। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। मेरे पास सिर्फ अभी 2 अवेलेबल हैं। अरे नहीं नहीं, 2 नहीं है, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, और भी हैं मेरे पास। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। किसी ने किया है सर रिटर्न एक्सप्लेन प्लीज। अरे वाह क्या बात है, क्या बात है। खुशी जी अभी कर देता हूँ, खुशी जी अभी कर देता हूँ। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, थैंक यू। खुशी मेरा पुत्र, मेरे बेटे ने यहाँ पे एग्जांपल देखा तो मेरे बच्चे ने बोला कि सर आप रिटर्न एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए। ठीक है खुशी जी, ये देखिएगा प्लीज, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कट दिस and what we are going to do, paste it here, and here we are supposed to mention RETURN result। बट यहाँ पे अब क्या होगा मेरा पुत्र, अब हमने यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल में भी मेंशन किया ANS, और यहाँ पे मेरे पुत्र ने आके क्या लिख दिया, here it is ANS। मेरे बच्चे को होपफुली मुझे लगता है क्लियर होगा। क्या हुआ, 5 and 2 is supposed to be passed in a variables A, B. They are supposed to multiplied with each other, store the result in a RES and return that particular to a calling function, because this is a calling function. It is supposed to be stored here in ANS, that is the answer, and it says product of two answer is supposed to be called as a ANS। मेरे बेटा को, अगर मेरे बच्चे को अगर दिख रहा हो तो ये जो हम स्क्रीन आपको दूसरी दिखा रहे हैं मेरा बेटा, ये शायद आपको नजर आ रहा हो कि अब दोबारा जो हमने मॉडिफाई किया है उसके बाद भी प्रोडक्ट इज 10। खुशी जी अगर आपको क्लियर हो गया हो तो यहाँ थम्स अप कर दीजिए या चैट बॉक्स में डन करिए। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अरे वाह वाह वाह, यस सर भी आ गया। ठीक है, थैंक यू खुशी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। ओके माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट thing what we are supposed to discuss here, argument and parameters. Kindly concentrate. Again the topic will be same, but what we are going to make the changes here in Python can be one of these values type arguments। कौन से different type के हो सकते हैं, that is a literals। very good, अभी मैं explain कर रहा हूँ what do you understand by literals, what do you understand by a variables, and what do you understand by a expressions। okay, kindly concentrate my dear respected students। first is a literal, okay, second is to be called as a, second is to be, wait for 1 minute, second is to be called as a variable, and third is to be called as a expression। kindly concentrate my dear respected students, what we are going to do। okay, first of all, if we are supposed to pass the numbers here, if we are supposed to pass the number here, these numbers is to be called as a literals। mere beta kindly concentrate, when we talk about that we are supposed to mention in such a way LITERAL, if my spellings are correct, these are to be called as a literals। okay, after that what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention here C is equal to 5 here, and in spite of passing the literals here, what I am going to pass here the 5 comma C। what it makes sense my dear respected students, this is to be considered as, kindly concentrate, this is to be called as, here it is, one is a literal, whereas the second is to be called as a variable, second is to be called as a variable, and when we are supposed to run this program, hopefully we get some different result here, that is the 25, that is to be considered as a 25। okay, now what we are going to do next, we are supposed to mention some expressions। for example, what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention here C plus 5, here it is, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and in a comment section it says first is a literal, okay, and after that what we are going to say, next is to be called as expression, this is to be considered as a expression, and hopefully when we are going to run this program they give some desired output। okay, it says product of two number is 50। मेरे बच्चों, first we can pass it as a literals, numbers, second we pass it as a literals and variables, or third we pass it as a literal as a or a expression or any of the combination which is possible and which is required here. Okay, आप मेरे बच्चों को जिनको समझ आया हो वो कृपया करके मुझे yes और no चैट बॉक्स में. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. मुझे चैट बॉक्स में रिक्वायर्ड है आपकी सजेशंस. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. मेरे बच्चों फटाफट फटाफट, मतलब फटाफट का मतलब है कि जल्दी जल्दी. यस 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 यस. विनीत, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार कि तेरा रिस्पॉन्स जो है ना हर एक बार आता है. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स. गॉड ब्लेस यू. मेरा बेटा ऐसे ही डट के जरा अच्छे तरीके से काम करना है और डट के पढ़ना है. अगर कवलजीत सर की जब भी जरूरत पड़े कॉल कीजिए. आई एम अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम्स 24/7. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. अच्छा, अब क्वेश्चनिंग का टाइम आ गया. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन हियर. Okay, now be quick, my dear respected students. You are supposed to create a function division, which we are supposed to discuss in a previously we have discussed. We are supposed to declare a function division, and now when we pass values from mains, we are supposed to pass only literals. Be quick, जल्दी से. और अगर वहां पे पड़ा हुआ है चैट बॉक्स में तो कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. मैं देख रहा हूं. Be quick. मैं सबका वॉच कर रहा हूं कि सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. First, my question is that we are supposed to define a function that is a division, and we are supposed to pass the argument or actual argument as a literal only. Very good, very good, very good, very good. अभी मेरे पास नहीं आया कुछ भी. वो आएगा मेरे पास जरूर आएगा. Very good, great, 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 great. Be quick, be quick. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. मानव, great. Clappings for you. Very good, Norman. Thank you. Okay. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अब जिनका आता जा रहा है मेरे पास, तनिम जी, गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू. हिया, ग्रेट. आर्ची धवन जी, ग्रेट. अच्छा, अब सेकंड वाला आ जाइएगा. अब हम क्या करेंगे? फंक्शन विल रिमेन सेम, बट नाउ वी आर नॉट सपोज टू पास ओनली द लिटरल्स. नाउ दिस टाइम वी आर सपोज टू पास लिटरल एंड वेरिएबल. बी क्विक, जल्दी से. वी आर सपोज टू पास लिटरल एज वेल एज अ वेरिएबल. वेरी गुड. आप इसी को कॉपी पेस्ट कर लीजिए ना. इसी को कॉपी पेस्ट करके आप चेंज कर दीजिए विद अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स. वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ग्रेट, 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 ग्रेट. अब अगला तैयार है ना? अगला कवलजीत सर ने क्या पूछना है? वेरी गुड मानव, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू यार. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं भाई. खुशी जी, थैंक यू. Okay, next my question is that modify this function and pass the values now as a. Okay, this time we take no problem. We take I think so we take a variable and expression. I'm just going to change this variable and expression. मैंने वहां पे शायद आप लोगों को literal and expression किया था. I think so, but this time I want that one is a variable and second is a expression. Very good, great. फटाफट जल्दी से. One is a variable, second is a expression. अरे वाह, अरे वाह. ये किसी ने पास किया है लिटरल और एक्सप्रेशन. मैंने बोल, अरे वाह, खुशी ने पास कर दिया वेरिएबल एंड एक्सप्रेशन. वेरी गुड. हिया भी आ गई. या वो एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आया उत्तर बीच में. जो डिवीजन आपने किया है ना वो, अच्छा आपने वहां बाहर कर दिया. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. वेरी गुड. हरसिमरन जीत, अरे वाह, क्या बात है. गुरप्रीत जी, थैंक यू. जैक, और बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं अभी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तो नहीं जानता, पर सब लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. और जो लोग अभी जिनकी पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं आ रही उनकी आनी चाहिए. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, ग्रेट माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर योर काइंड कोऑपरेशन. Okay, now view the examples here. Valid function call statement, what we have done already, we have done. Now we are supposed to display the examples here. Second, where we pass a variable and a literal, and third, where we pass there is a expression and a literal, I think so. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Chat box में अभी भी कुछ आता जा रहा है. अरे वाह, विनीत भी आ गया मेरा शेर. चलो, thank you. Vinith, God bless you, yeah. Okay, now kindly watch. In a previous session, we have discussed types of function. This time, my dear respected students, we are talking about types of arguments. First is a positional argument. Kindly concentrate. First is a positional argument. Second is a default argument. Third is a keyword argument. And last one is to be considered as a variable length. Variable length. Kindly concentrate. Kindly concentrate. Positional arguments pass to a function in correct positional order. Please यहाँ देखना. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। ओके, नहीं तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, एक बार दिखाऊं आप लोगों को, दिखाता हूँ। वेट 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 वेट। ओके, here it is. What we are going to do, we are supposed to define this and pass this information. ठीक है, हम प्रैक्टिकली करते हैं, आप भी रेडी रहिएगा। मैं उसी प्रोग्राम में चेंज कर रहा हूँ what we have discussed previously. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Very good. Positional. What do you understand by a positional? Wait for 1 minute, please. I'm just going to adjust this information. Okay. Now what we are going to do, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. Now this time I'm just going to add one more here, a, b and c. Okay, here it is multiplied by c in spite of using some different option. Here it is what we are going to do, we are supposed to erase this one. Okay, for the time being we are erasing, and after that here it is 5, after that 2, after that 1. Now what happened? Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. When we are talking about a positional argument, what is supposed to be done here, because this is to be considered as an actual argument and this is to be considered as a formal or a parameters. What happens here, this 5 is supposed to be passed. Now a is equal to 5. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. A is equal to 5, after that B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 1. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. When we run this program, what will be the values here? The 5 is supposed to be passed to a variable A, 2 is supposed to be passed to the variable B, and 1 is supposed to be passed to a variable C, and further they perform operation and then they are supposed to display the result. This is to be considered as a, kindly concentrate, positional arguments. Positional arguments. Okay, what we are going to do here, 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 1, I think so that is 10 only. Okay, I'm just going to run this program here for checking the output. Yes, it says the product of, here it is, we are supposed to change this message here, 3 numbers, and when we are going to run this program again, this says product of 3 numbers is equal to 10. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको पोजीशनल आर्गुमेंट आ गया, कि पोजीशंस का मतलब है जिस ऑर्डर में आपने एक्चुअल आर्गुमेंट मेंशन किया है वैसे ही वो जाके फॉर्मल आर्गुमेंट्स के पास स्टोर हो जाएंगे। जिनको आ गया वो कृपया करके चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दीजिए यस और नो। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, जल्दी से। वेरी गुड। अच्छा, अब नेक्स्ट वाला कौन सा था यार? हमने अगर देखा था यहाँ पे डिफॉल्ट आर्गुमेंट, डिफॉल्ट। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। नेक्स्ट इज टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ डिफॉल्ट। अभी मेरे को हमारे पास 20 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और मेरे को मैसेज कितने का आया? 15 का मैसेज आया। तो ये तो गलत बात है ना भाई, कि आप बाकी लोग मैसेज नहीं कर रहे। कर दीजिए ना, कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं लगेगा आपका, चिंता मत करिए। ओके, चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करिए। पहला पोजीशनल आर्गुमेंट है, सेकंड कौन सा करना है हम लोगों ने? वेरी गुड, पास करिए। मैं देखूं आपने कितना, डी से स्टार्ट होता है मेरे ख्याल से। वेरी गुड, जल्दी से। अरे वाह, पूरा लिख दिया करो। डिफॉल्ट आर्गुमेंट सीधा शॉर्टकट में लिखना आदत पड़ गई है। ओके, here it is. What happened, my dear respected student? What happened now? What we are going to do here, c is equal to 6. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected student. Here when we talk about that c is equal to 6, we are in function, we are supposed to mention here that c is equal to 6 here. My dear respected student, this c is equal to 6 means we are supposed to pass a default value. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Okay, and we are supposed to pass 5, 2 and 1. I think so. Now because there is a default value, this is replaced by 1 or not? Kindly give suggestions in the chat box. क्या ये replace होगा? Very good. Yes or no में आंसर दीजिए कि आप c की वैल्यू क्या आएगी। आप मेंशन करिए c is equal to 6 होगा या c is equal to 1 होगा, जल्दी से। वेरी गुड। अरे वाह, क्या बात है। c is equal to 6 होगा। ओके, c is equal to 6 बोल रहे हैं, जरा आप चेक कर लीजिएगा, देखिएगा। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रन दिस प्रोग्राम अगेन एंड हियर इट इज 10। अब देखिए आपकी गलती क्या है। What is your mistake, my dear respected student? Kindly concentrate here. Oh, okay. Maximum students are saying that 6. They are saying yes, C is equal to 6. No, my dear respected student, when we pass that value from as an actual argument, this value is supposed to replace that 6. And what happens? The 1 is supposed to be passed to a variable that is a 6. मेरे को जितने लोग ये मुझसे एग्री कर रहे हैं वो यस और नो में आंसर दें. अरे नॉर्मन का आया 1. अरे वाह नॉर्मन, थैंक यू यार, वेरी गुड. जल्दी से यस और नो में आंसर कीजिए. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. अरे वाह. अब देखिएगा जिन लोगों ने 6 आंसर किया था, अब मैंने क्या किया, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू delete that 1 from a actual argument. I'm just going to delete that particular thing, press F5, and now I'm just going to hit the enter key. What happened here, my dear respected students, as an actual argument, we are supposed to pass only two values, that is 5 and 2. 5 and 2, and we are not going to pass anything for a variable C, but because variable C having a default value, that's why they just take the value which is being declared as a default value. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो कृपया करके थोड़ा सा एक बार मुझे yes और no में आंसर दीजिए. अब क्या हुआ, हमने एज ए एक्चुअल आर्गुमेंट तो कोई वैल्यू पास की नहीं. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू पास एनीथिंग from main section, but what happened, because we having a default value in as a parameter, then it is supposed to be used that particular value. Only 11 लोगों का मुझे मैसेज आया यार, ये तो कम होते जा रहे हैं, थोड़े से बढ़ने चाहिए थे ना. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू. आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, सॉरी. चलिए जी, यहां तक सबको समझ आ गया. अब एक टेस्ट करते हैं जल्दी से, ठीक है. चलिए अभी रुक के करते हैं टेस्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. एक बार दोबारा से चेक कर ले जरा. अब मैं पीपीटी पे जा रहा हूं, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. ये देख लिया पोजिशनल, डिफॉल्ट, कीवर्ड वाला अभी हमने करना है, एंड वेरिएबल लेंथ करना है, ठीक है. प्लीज यहां पे देखिएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट इज अ पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट, डिस्क्रिप्शन इज मेंशन्ड हियर. kindly view that this is the description of positional argument, that how the position is mentioned in a sequence, the value is supposed to be assigned. मुझे एक मैसेज आया, मैं अभी देखता हूं एक बार जरा इसको ना. कीवर्ड वाला ये वाला हम देख लें जरा. ओके, डिफॉल्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट assumes a default value if a value is not provided in the function call. If the value is not provided in a function call, then what happens, they are supposed to use the default value here. Okay, here it is, R having a value that is 0.25, and when the value is 0.15 is supposed to be passed, what happens, 0.25 is replaced with a 0.15. And next is, we are supposed to pass in the next example only 2 values, and then 0.2, which is a default value, is being accepted by a Python interpreter. Okay, now this time I am again going to open a Python here, and I am just going to check. अच्छा, yes ही था सिर्फ, ठीक है. Okay, no problem. अच्छा, अगले वाला कौन सा था यार, अब भूल गया थोड़ा सा. एक तो पोजिशनल था, अच्छा, एक था डिफॉल्ट. अच्छा, अब नहीं समझ आ रहा यार, दूसरा कौन सा था ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, बता दोगे थोड़ा सा क्या. थर्ड वाला कौन सा था. अच्छा, आ गया, के से था शायद, है ना. अरे वाह, कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. Now we are begin with a keyword argument. Now check. It's my humble request. Kindly view. What happened here, my dear respected students? Now we are just going to remove this one. I'm just going to removing this one, and here it is a default value. I'm just going to remove. Okay. This time what happened here? It is a C. Okay. Now what happened here? Now when we are talking about a keyword, now what is the problem here? For example, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to mention C is equal to 3, comma, and I'm just going to run this program. Okay, kindly check. Here it is. I'm going to change it as a, अच्छा खुशी खेती जी फिर आगे कीवर्ड हम इसको कीवर्ड आर्गुमेंट लिख देते हैं. अच्छा, ये वाला थोड़ा सा डिलीट कर देता हूँ, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. अच्छा, ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपन, kindly concentrate here. I have mentioned C is equal to 3, but C is mentioned here only. After that there is a 5, and after that there is a 2. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am just going to mention, press F5 and hit the enter key. What is supposed to display it on the screen? Kindly check here. It says positional argument follows keyword argument. जो positional argument है आपका, that follows your keyword argument. Okay, one more thing what we are going to do, in case of positional, the values is supposed to be passed. Okay, now what happened, I'm just going to mention in a different sequence. Here it is, I'm going to mention b is equal to keyword. I'm talking about a keyword argument. Kindly concentrate. Here it is. Here the sequence is A, B, and C. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected student. Here is the sequence which says that I am A, B, and C here. But in this way, we are supposed to, there is no need to follow a sequence. What we are going to do, we are supposed to use a keyword that C is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, A is equal to 2. It means there, in case of a positional argument, we are supposed to follow the sequence, but here in case of a keyword argument, there is no need to use a sequence here. We are supposed to mention the name or a keyword, and automatically the value is supposed to be passed. Can we check? I'm just going to press F5 and hit the enter key. Okay, great. It says the output is to be considered as 3. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अरे वाह, कीवर्ड आर्गुमेंट आ रहा है. एक बार आप मुझे बता दीजिए कि कीवर्ड आर्गुमेंट आपको क्लियर है कि नहीं. You are all are requested to kindly tell whether the concept of keyword argument is cleared or not. Very good, Vinay, great. Okay. So in case, आप जब तक yes yes लिख रहे हैं, मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर देता हूं. In case of a keyword argument, we are not supposed to follow any sequence. In spite of following a sequence, what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention the name of the variable, and automatically the value is supposed to be passed to that particular variable as a formal argument. Very good, great. अच्छा, एक बात करनी थी. कुछ लोग ना व्हाट्सएप पे अभी भी 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे अपने नेम सेंड नहीं किए. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, आप चेक कर लीजिए. और जिन लोगों ने मुझे अभी तक नहीं सेंड किया, वैसे मैं आज उनको होपफुली पर्सनल मैसेज करूंगा. बट इफ यू हैव नॉट सेंड मी एनी डिटेल्स ऑफ योर्स, so you are requested to kindly send. It's my humble request. Okay, now great. I'm just going to move towards a PPT part again. Now this is the default. I am just going to move towards keyword arguments are the name argument with assigned value being passed in the function call statement. Here it is. No need to remember the order of the arguments. And here it is the option that here it is PTR and RPT. This is not following any sequence and they automatically pass because we have just mentioned the sequence. Next thing. Okay, मैंने वैसे ही कर दिया यार, तो पहले आपसे पूछना था मुझे. चलिए कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट देखिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्या था, जरा मुझे चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दीजिए एक बार. लास्ट टॉपिक है मुझे लग रहा है आज के लिए. जल्दी से वेरिएबल लेंथ करके कुछ आ रहा था यार, देखना जरा एक बार, जल्दी से बता दो, ऐसे मत किया करो. बी क्विक. वेरी गुड. सिर्फ एक का ही है अभी, दो का. नेक्स्ट वाला है वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट. अच्छा, वेरी गुड, सब लोगों का आ रहा है. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वेरिएबल, द वर्ड वेरिएबल रिप्रेजेंट वेरी, जो क्या करता है, वेरी करता है, फ्लक्चुएट करता है. वेरिएबल इज अ थिंग विच इज सपोज टू बी वेरी फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट वैल्यूज. वो एक दूसरी वैल्यूज के बीच में वेरी करता है. जब जैसे हम लोग मार्केट में जाते हैं, वी आर सपोज टू परचेज समथिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने एप्पल 1 kg एप्पल परचेज कर लिए, तो जब वो उसको वेट में रखते हैं, देन इट्स इज सपोज टू बी वेरी. वो कभी अप जाता है, कभी डाउन जाता है, एंड देन दे कम्स टू अ इक्वल मार्जिनल, देन दे आर सपोज टू, वो वहां से उसको उठा के हमें कहते हैं कि यस इट्स डन नाउ. ओके, वेरिएबल. और मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिख के बता दिया वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट. ओके जी, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. पहले एक बार हम आते हैं और एक बार पीपीटी चेक कर लें. वेरी गुड, देखिएगा प्लीज, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, सॉरी, नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाई सॉरी? ओके, व्हेन वी don't know the number of arguments parameters in advance, then we use variable length argument. कहता जब आप लोगों को ये नहीं पता होता कि कितने वेरिएबल्स हमें मेन में से आने वाले हैं, in that case what we are going to use, we are supposed to use a variable length argument. ठीक है, अब ये करेंगे कैसे, देखिएगा जरा प्लीज. मैंने लिखा डेफ, मैंने लिखा फन, मैंने लिखा, अब जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, आई एम जस्ट supposed to insert a asterisk symbol here, and I am just going to mention here a, and after that this, and now for I in a, and we are supposed to mention the print I, kindly concentrate, no problem. And after that, in a main section, we are supposed to pass the values, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now this time kindly concentrate, my dear respected students, as this time we are not supposed to know beforehand that how many values is supposed to be passed from a main section. In that case, for using a variable length argument, we are supposed to use this concept which is to be called as a asterisk, जो star का symbol हम use करते हैं. And what we are going to do, because we are expecting more than one values or one value itself, then we are supposed to use the loop here for I in a. A is a variable, and then we are supposed to display the values of I. Can I just run this program if you don't mind? Okay, I'm just going to run this. Yes, excellent. What they are going to do here, they are just supposed to display the values as what we are going to do here. When we are going to delete this asterisk symbol here and we pass more than one values and we run the program, it may display the error, type error, font takes one positional argument, because here it is only A is mentioning here. So what happened here, they are mentioning font takes one positional argument, but 7 were given. So if we are mentioning here A comma B and we are going to run this, they are mentioning font takes 2 positional argument, but 7 were given. So for removing this particular, what we are going to do, we are supposed to apply this asterisk symbol and press the enter key, and the values will be displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो कृपया करके ये देखिए asterisk symbol, and this is the example which is mentioned here. Kindly tell me, chat box में डाल दीजिए जिन लोगों को समझ आया.